Hello good day viewers. In this tutorial we are going to find a solution to this simple trigonometric equation. We are asked to solve the equation cosine x equal to negative cosine 40 degrees. We have cosine in both the left and the right hand side. So let's concentrate on the left hand side first. We should know that x here represents an angle, and cosine of what angle is negative? You know definitely that solution would be in the second and the third quadrant. And in the third quadrant, the angle represents 360 minus x. So now let us write that second equation. We have cosine of 360 degrees minus x. This will still be equal to cosine of negative cosine of 40 degrees. So this is equation 1 and this is equation number 2. So from equation 1, x equal to cos inverse of negative cosine 40 degrees. Likewise, from the second equation, we have 360 degrees minus x to be equal to cosine inverse of negative cos of 40 degrees. So what we need to simplify here is cos inverse of negative cosine of 40 degrees. Let us do it down here. Cosine inverse of negative cos of 40 degrees is the same thing as 180 degrees minus cosine inverse of positive cosine of 40 degrees. So once you remove this negative sign, you take 180 and subtract the positive one. So this is what we need to simplify. Cos inverse will cancel cos, so we have 180 minus 40 degrees, which is equal to what? 140 degrees. Therefore, we can see that this is what? 140 degrees, which is a value of x. So now let us bring it down. Therefore, x equal to 140 degrees. Then from this again, this is also another 140 degrees. So we can say that 360 degrees minus x is also equal to 140 degrees. X therefore equal to 360 degrees minus 140 degrees, which is equal to 220 degrees. So we have two values of x. X could either be 140 degrees or 220 degrees between 0 to 360 degrees. But these are not the only solutions, because suppose we have a cycle like this. 140 degrees should be here, or let me use another color, should be in the second quadrant, and 220 is in the third quadrant. Already I told you x must be within these quadrants. So if I consider the first solution here, which is this one, by adding a complete cycle, you'll be able to obtain another solution. Keep on adding complete cycle, 360, it will give us as many as possible solutions. The same thing goes to this one if you keep on adding cycle. Therefore, we can conclude that x is either equal to 140 degrees plus other multiples of a cycle, which is complete cycle 360 degrees, times k, for which k could be 0, 1, 2, -1, -2. So it is just an integer. Or the other one, x equal to 220 degrees plus other multiples of 360 degrees, for which this k is an integer. It could be negative or positive integer. And hence, this is just the solution to this problem. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye-bye.